Today I wanted to do an AISHWARYA Rai makeup tutorial. I'm going to start by taking my color corrector from Prada Beauty in the shade Peach and applying it to all the areas where I need color correction, including areas where I have dark circles and mild discoloration. Then I'm going to gently blend it with this brush. Now I'm going to take my Prada Beauty concealer in the shade 3.5 Biscuit and apply it over where I had the color corrector and anywhere that I need to be especially highlighted. And then I'm going to wait a few minutes before blending. Now I'm going to take my Prada Beauty Easy Blur foundation in the shade Custard and apply it over top. I have already applied the Prada Beauty Easy Grip primer before this, but did not film it. Next, I'm going to contour using my Rare Beauty liquid contour in the shade Solace. I'm going to apply it under my cheekbones and then where my jawline is and above where my temple is, and then I'm going to blend. I will also be contouring my nose, but I'm going to do that mostly off camera because I have a hard time getting it even otherwise. I'm going to use a flat oval brush to blend my contour in and try to pay attention to where the natural hollow of my face is. I like to use this thin flat brush for contouring my nose as I feel like it provides more control. Now I'm going to take my Prada Beauty liquid blush, it's a mini size, I believe it is baby pink, and apply it to my cheekbones. I got this in a set of 2 with a baby peach as well. The size is really cute. I really like this blush, it blends very well and it leaves you with a really pretty flush. Now I'm going to set the top part of my makeup with a bit of Baby Baked Pound Cake, using the Pretty Grunge palette by Prada Beauty for this look. Going to start with using the shade Freedom and applying it above where my crease is, almost all the way up to my brow bone. Now taking the shade Hope and deepening the area right above my crease, making sure to blend well. Applying the shade Rise Up all over both of my lids. And following by using the shade Stand Up, which is like a shimmer, a kind of a champagne shimmer, and using my fingers to apply it on my lids. Going back to the shade Hope and using it as a bit of an underline under my eye and over top. Now I'm going to use NYX Epic Inkliner in the shade Black and MAC gel pencil in glider dye to line my waterline, followed by Lancome mascara to prepare my eyelashes for my Ioni false mink eyelashes I will be applying off camera. Using Lancome rose lipstick for this look to give me with that bright pink, that bright deep pink color that AISHWARYA has. And then to provide the shine, I'm going to use Prada Beauty Faux Filter Lip Jelly in the shade Juicy Peach. I was really happy with the way this look turned out. I just don't like the contact lenses that I'm wearing. I feel like they're far too bright for this look. Next time I would try to get something that's a little bit more subtle. Doing a couple of final touches. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more. Thank you for watching.